2022 CR 8248, State of Texas versus Carlos Landaverti Martinez. We have an interpreter here. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Norma Nero.
And can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
For the defendant?
Charles Nice for Mr. Landaverti Martinez, Your Honor, ready.
And are you Carlos Landaverti Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea to the offense of arson, of habitation or place of assembly. According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Any objections to the PSI report, state?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
No objections, Your Honor.
Mr. Garahan? All right, and the court wanted a PSI done on this case because there were some issues. At least Judge Angelini wanted a PSI report. So he ordered a PSI, a TAP evaluation, and mouth evaluation. So counsel, is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client wants just to apologize to this court and to the parties involved, Judge. He knows he made a egregious mistake, and he just asks his court for the forgiveness, Your Honor.
All right, so this is the question the court has. In the PSI report, it says that he's here illegally. So if he's here illegally, he's going to be deported. I mean, unless the PSI report is incorrect. Mr. Martinez, are you here illegally? Yes. All right. So he's going to be deported. I'm not inclined to put any holds on him because I want him deported if he's not supposed to be here. And when I say I want, that's what the law requires. So it's not me personally saying, let me go down the street and deport people. The law is that he's supposed to be deported. And as a condition of his probation, if he comes back here and he's not back here legally, what's going to end up happening is he's going to be looking at the full range of punishment for this offense. And the full range of punishment is up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Do you understand, Mr. Martinez?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I do understand. So as a part of your conditions of probation, it is going to be that you not return unless you're here legally.
Okay.
Can I speak? Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Yes. All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Carlos Roberto Martínez Cruz.
Carlos Roberto Martinez Cruz. All right, so why does it say on this paperwork that you're Carlos Landaverti Martinez?
Es realmente una equivocación en documentos.
Yes, actually, that is a mistake on the documents. All right. Well, the way it appears on the document, unless there is some other documentation that shows you with a different name, this is how we're going to proceed. It's fine. All right. So I want to let you know if you're going to be answering questions or there's something you wish to say, then the state will have a chance to ask you questions as well. Do you understand?
Sí,
Yes,
All right, do you still wish to say something to the court?
sí.
yes.
All right, what do you wish to say?
Lo que quiero decir es que realmente no es, no soy culpable totalmente en lo ocurrido.
What I want to say that is, in reality, I am totally guilty of what happened.
La acusación que me hicieron fue como intento de incendio de una casa de habitación cuando realmente fue un accidente en un trabajo.
Okay, the thing that they accused me of is that intent of arson to a habitation, but in actuality, it was an accident.
Jamás hubo intención de mi parte hacerle daño a persona o a terceras personas. Jamás fue mi intención hacer un daño a terceras personas ni a la propiedad.
My
So much.
intention was never to cause harm to people or to the property.
All right, Mr. Martinez, you've already pled to this. I'm just here to hear sentencing. This is not to be a jury trial or a bench trial because you've entered your plea and you entered your plea on April 17, 2023. So I'm only here to hear evidence as it relates to sentencing you. And what I'm telling you is, according to the plea bargaining agreement, there is an agreement for deferred adjudication. Once I proceed with this sentencing, you will not be allowed back in the United States unless you are here legally. If you come back to the United States and you are not here legally, you are looking at life in prison. Because one of the conditions I'm going to set for you is you are not to be back in the United States unless you are here legally. Do you understand?
Okay,
Entendido.
understood.
All right. Is there anything you wish to say?
No, muchas gracias.
No, thank you very much.
All right. Defense, any questions?
None, Your Honor.
State, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 10 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no illegal, and that's illegal, reentry into the United States. Once you are here legally, there's to be proof of employment within 40 days of legal reentry. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There is to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. 200 hours of community service restitution. And residential treatment that will be held in abeyance. And that residential treatment will be with SADF. And that's to be held in abeyance until he's here legally. And I'm sorry, just one moment. And I don't see any restitution. It says $0 for restitution, so I'm not going to order restitution. I do note that the complainant in this case said they would be in court. They didn't mean for you to get in trouble. They wanted to get you out of jail. They say that you're like a brother to me and I want him to get out. I want to do whatever I can to help him. He was using drugs at the time, and I just thought he was a danger to himself and others, but I didn't want him in all this trouble. So just so you know, the complainant wants you out. And I see that you are, it says here, highest grade completed, and that you're a college graduate. Is that true?
Yes,
All right. What did you study in college?
Ciencias y letras. Bachillerato en ciencias y letras.
high school in science and literature.
Okay. All right. Probation. Is there anything else he needs? All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No,
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Sí.
yes,
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you, Mr. Martinez. So, Mr. Martinez, what brings you to the United States?
El desempleo, la violencia en mi país.
Unemployment and violence in my country,
Pero está bien.
but it's fine.
All right, I wish you the best. All right, good luck to you. Thank you.